Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Skies. And if you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel below. So today's topic is colleges in Sonipat part 2. Without any further ado, let's start with the first university, that is Ashoka University. The courses and fees offered are on your screen. Bachelor's of Art of 3 years, fees is 6.45 lakhs to 8.95 lakhs annually. The available courses are BA in English Honours, BA in English and Journalism, in History and International Relations Honours, in Philosophy Honours, Political Science Honours, Politics and Society Honours, Politics, Philosophy and Economics Honours, Bachelors of Arts in Economics Honours, in Economics and History Honours, in English and Creative Writing Honours, and in Arts of Sociology and Anthropology Honours. Next are Bachelors of Science in Mathematics Honours, Physics Honours, Biology Honours, Computer Science and Entrepreneurial Leadership Honours, in Science of Economics and Finance. Next are some certificate and PhD courses of 3 years and 2 years respectively. The available courses under them are Certificate in Creative Writing, Certificate in Entrepreneurship, Certificate in Environmental Studies, Certificate in International Relations, in Performing Arts and in Visual Arts. PhD courses are offered in Biology, Computer Science, Economics, English, History, Physics and Psychology. Next is the OP Jindal University. The courses offered are BA Honours in Liberal Arts and Humanities, BA Honours in Journalism and Media Studies, BCom Honours, BA Honours in Finance and Entrepreneurship, Bachelors of Design, Interior, Urban and Community, Bachelors of Architecture, Built Environment Studies, BA Honours, BA Honours in Psychology, BA Honours in Environmental Studies. Jindal Global Law School offers LLB and LLM, MBA from Global Business School, MBA in Digital Finance and Marketing, Jindal School of International Affairs, MA in Diplomacy, Law and Business, Jindal School of Government and Public Policy, MA in Public Policy, MA Economics, Jindal Law School offers PhD, Global Business School offers also PhD, Jindal School of International Affairs and Government and Public Policy, Institute of Behavioral Sciences also offer PhD course. Next on your screen you can see the next university, which is World University of Design Sonipat. It offers Bachelors of Design in Fashion Design, Bachelors of Design in Architecture, Bachelors of Design in Animation and Game Design, Bachelors of Design in Computer Science and Design, Bachelors of Design in Fashion Communication and in Film and Video. BBA Retail Business Management, BPA, BVA Creative Painting, BVA Digital Drawing and Illustration, BArch, MArch Digital Architecture, MArch Sustainable Architecture, M Design Communication Design, M Design Fashion Design, M Design Industrial Design, M Design Interior and Retail Design, M Design International Fashion Business, M Design in Transportation Design, M Design User Experience and Interaction Design, MBA Design Strategy and Management, MBA Design Strategy and Management Executive, MPA. Next on your screen is South Point Institute of Technology and Management. The courses are as such: Bachelors of Education, Bachelors of Technology. Available courses are in Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering. BCom, BSc, BA, LLB, BArch, BBA, MBA, Postgraduate in Management, in Masters in Business Management. BTech. Available courses are BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, BTech in Information and Communication Technology, Masters of Education. Available courses in Diploma are Civil Engineering, Computer Science, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication, Mechanical Engineering, Medical Lab Technology and in Pharmaceuticals. Next college is Gateway College. The courses are as provided: Bachelors of Architecture, Bachelors of Technology, Bachelors of Technology in Civil Engineering, BTech in Civil Engineering laterally entry, BTech in Computer Science, BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, BTech in Computer Science lateral entry, BTech in Electronics and Communication, BTech in Electronics and Communication lateral entry, BTech in Mechanical Engineering, BTech in Mechanical Engineering lateral entry. BBA fees is 60K. BCA Bachelors of Computer Application. BHM Bachelors of Hotel Management. MBA Masters of Business Administration. MBA Advanced HR Finance and Marketing. MBA General HR Marketing and Finance. M-Plan Masters of Planning. Available courses are in Masters of Planning in Regional and Urban Planning. Diploma courses are in Civil Engineering Lateral Entry, Mechanical Engineering Lateral Entry. Mechanical Engineering will have an intake of 60 with fees being INR 37.2k, and Diploma in Mechanical Engineering Lateral Entry. Now I would like to thank you for watching. PDF will be in description box of all the courses till now I have covered. And if you have liked my content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel below.